In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record audio in Canva. If you've ever tried to add narration to a presentation, a tutorial, or a simple video project, you already know how annoying it can be to jump between different recording apps. The good news is that Canva makes this much easier by letting you record directly inside your project. That means less time exporting files, less hassle with uploads, and a much smoother editing process from start to finish. To begin, open Canva and go to the project where you want to add your audio. This could be a presentation, a social media video, or any design that supports media. From your Canva home screen, open the file you want to work on so it loads fully in the editor. Give it a moment to open completely because you'll want the workspace ready before starting the recording tool. Once your project is open, move to the left-hand sidebar and click on Uploads. At the top of that panel, you'll see the option called Record Yourself. Go ahead and click that to open Canva's built-in recording studio. This is where you'll control your microphone and, if you want, your camera as well. When the recording studio opens, your browser may ask for permission to access your microphone and camera. If that appears, click Allow so Canva can use your device properly. After that, check the microphone settings and make sure the correct microphone is selected. This is especially important if you use an external mic, headset, or USB microphone. If you only want to record audio and do not want to appear on camera, turn off the camera by clicking the video icon. That leaves you with an audio-focused setup, which is perfect for voiceovers. When everything looks good, click the red record button near the lower left area of the studio. Canva will give you a short 3-second countdown before recording starts. Use that moment to get ready, sit comfortably, and prepare to speak clearly. Now record your voiceover. Try to speak at a steady pace and keep your microphone at a consistent distance for the best sound quality. When you're done, click Done to stop the recording, then click Save and Exit. Canva will process the recording and place it into your audio uploads area. It will also add the audio track into your project timeline automatically. From there, review the placement of your audio track and drag it left or right if needed so it matches your visuals, slide changes, or key moments on screen. Once everything is lined up, go to Share in the top right corner, choose Download, select MP4 video as the file type, set your resolution, and click Download, and that's it. You've successfully recorded audio in Canva and exported your finished project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.